Hey everyone, my name is Vamsi Reddy and I'm a neurosurgery resident at UT Southwestern. Today we're going to be putting together a Gamma Knife frame and then also demonstrating how to put it onto a model. So the Gamma Knife set comes with three parts. The plastic inserts, please don't forget these. These are found in the ORs, they can also be found in the Gamma Knife suite. There's the screws, and then there's the actual frame itself, which comes in this big box. So for this part, we're just going to use the frame and these plastic inserts. We'll put the screws back here for the next part. So go ahead and open up the Gamma Knife frame. This doesn't actually have to be sterile, this part of the procedure. And so what you'll see in here is when you open it up, you'll see a few things. You'll see the screw, which is important, the screwdriver. You'll see these large inserts, and then you'll see these small inserts. So these are what you're going to need from the top. And you pull this out, and then this right here is the actual frame portion. You're going to need this, and then you're going to need these screws. So that's the main part. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this table. And so what we have here is this frame already has this part attached to it because it's in Gamma Knife. So this frame goes towards the bottom in Gamma Knife, and often when we're in the OR, it'll go towards the top because it allows the tubes to go underneath. So how you know what's top and bottom? So right here, you see it on the sides, you'll see all these rulers, you'll see these numbers. And whatever number is facing up is really the top versus the bottom. That's the easiest way to do it. And so in Gamma Knife, the frame this part usually faces down. So what we'll do next is we have to put these on. So the long ones, these long ones, these will go in the front. And so what I do is I like to look at the hash marks here. And for the standard patient, it's about 2. And so we'll do 2, but each patient is different. And so the marks might change, the adjustments you have to make for the actual frame might change per patient. So what you'll do here is you'll get these screws out, and I just go ahead and get 4 out and get 4 of these inserts. And so you can go ahead and put the insert into this portion and then take a screw. And so here you'll see that again we go to 2 hash marks, and then what I'll do initially is I'll just do it finger tight. Will it go in? There we go. Oh my gosh. There we go. And then I will use this screwdriver and do the remainder of it until it's all the way tight. And again, same thing, the large one in the front. Again, 2 hash marks. Put this in, and you can put a screw in. You go ahead and screw and make sure it's tight because you don't want this sliding at all. And then do the same thing in the back, but these are the shorter ones. So there's actually, if you look at this kit, it actually comes with 2 other inserts, these 2 short ones. We're not going to use these ones. We're going to use the medium-sized ones and the 2 large ones. So the medium-sized ones go in the back, and again, we do 2. And this again can change depending on how big the patient's head is. Okay, there we go. And then go ahead and screw it on. Perfect. Just make sure it's tight. And then the last one. And there we go. And sometimes they spoil you and have these pre-assembled, but it's good to know how to put it together in case it's not assembled. There we go. And so, and the final step in this is to take these plastic inserts, which are separate. They're not actually part of the blue packaging. Go ahead and open it up, pour them out. One more in there somewhere. Yep. And these will go in here. And there's only one way they go in. There's only one way they fit. And so you just slide it in until you hear a click. And you slide it into all four of them. And that's the frame. So this is the completed frame. And so next we'll talk about how to put it on a patient. All right, thank you.